Hi, welcome to lecture number 7 on special function registers. This lecture is actually the continuation of previous lecture on RAM organization. Here we will see the parts of internal memory where special function registers reside. Here I will not go into detail of each special function register. That we will do when we study the related topics. So here we will see the internal memory of 8051 is 256 bytes long with address ranging from 00 to FFH. That is total 256 locations. In the first 128 location, that is this location ranging from 00 to 7FH, our internal RAM resides. And we have already seen the organization of internal RAM. Now in the next part, address ranging from 80H to FFH, special function registers reside. Actually here we have 128 bytes, but not all the locations are occupied because we don't have 128 special function registers. We cannot use the empty location while we are programming. That will result in some unpredictable behavior. So going through the points, the internal memory of 8051 is 256 bytes with address ranging from 00 to FFH. Then the first 128 bytes with address ranging from 00 to 7FH is called RAM. Then next 128 bytes with address ranging from 80H to FFH are given for special function register, that is this area. Note that not all addresses from 80H to FFH are used for special function registers. Attempting to use an address that is not defined result in unpredictable result. Some special function registers are bit addressable. You already know what is bit addressable from the bit addressable area of our internal RAM. So some are bit addressable, some are byte addressable. We will see. Now this register, program counter, which is 16-bit register, is the only register in 8051 which do not have a RAM address. Okay. Sometimes they will ask this question in Viva. Now we will see special function registers and their corresponding internal RAM address. So first is accumulator, denoted by A, which has a RAM address E0H. This asterisk denotes that this is a bit addressable register. Okay. Then B. B is actually a register used for multiplication and division. Its address is F0H. Then we have DPTR. DPTR is a pointer used to point some location in the memory. DPTR is a 16-bit register. This is 16-bit register. 16-bit register. It is divided into two 8-bit registers, DPH and DPL. This is a higher 8-bit and this is a lower 8-bit. So DPH have address 83H, DPL have address 82H. Actually, these are 8-bit addresses. You know how to expand the address, right? I will show you one. E means what? A. E means 14. 14. This is 14. 1110. 4-bit binary of E. 14 is represented as 110 and 0. This is address in binary. Okay, this is a corresponding binary representation. So likewise you can expand all these addresses. So now continuing, IE is the interrupt enabled control register. All registers are 8-bit and address is A8H. Then IP, interrupt priority control, with address B8H. These two are bit addressable. Now we have our ports. We have 4 ports. Each port have a corresponding location inside the memory. P0, 80H, bit addressable. Then P1, 90H, P2, A0H, P3, B0H. All are bit addressable. Now we have power control register used for some used to enter into some power control modes like sleep mode, that kind of mode that we will see later. So now for the time being, PCON has an address 87H. Then PSW is a program status word, D0H, which is bit addressable. SCON is a serial port control, 98H, bit addressable. SBUF is a serial buffer used to store serial data at the time of serial communication. We'll see. SP is a stack pointer, 81H. Then T mode. Okay, we have two timers in 8051. Both are 16-bit timers. So these are the timer control and timer mode setting registers. T mode, timer control, mode control. That is 89H. Then TCON is the timer or counter control, 88H. Then we have, these are the 16-bit timer locations. Okay, this 0 denote timer 0 and 1 denote timer 1. So as this is 16-bit timer, it is divided into two 8-bit. TL0 is a lower 8-bit, TH0 is a higher 8-bit. So timer 0, low byte, 8AH. Timer 0, high byte, 8CH. This is timer 1, low byte, 8BH. And timer 1, high byte, 8DH. So these are the special function registers available in 8051.